Okay, what we're going to do here is kind of compare this regular water to photon exposed water and see what kind of difference we have. And here is a little contraption I have here. We have one side here which is your ultraviolet light, and another side here is your infrared light. And the theory is here, it's been around for a while, using light and even diffusing it with crystals has a significant impact on your body and your body's frequency. But right now what we're going to try to test to see is, you know, on a microscopic level, is there a difference between the water that's unaffected and the water that is affected. So we're going to start out by preparing some slides here. Alright, let's pull that one out. We'll put that one in for right now. And we're going to get our handy pipette as soon as I can find it. There we go. And I've been using this Ozarka water as my standard here. So we're just going to put some of that. And then we're just gonna drop one here. Okay. Press that back. Actually, we're gonna pick that up. What I want to do is kind of, I want to shake the bottle a little bit to see if there's any kind of sediment within the liquid. It'll all be at the bottom, so we'll shake it up and see if we can just get it mixed up. Alright. Let's do this one more time. Nothing I can really see from the naked eye, but okay. Trying to do this with one hand is a little aggravating, but what I'm getting here now is just a cover for the slide. Okay, and if you're going to do this at home, just don't ever pick it up from the center. You just want to get it from the side. You don't want to contaminate it with your fingerprint. And you have to be careful because they're really thin, they can stick together. And then we're just going to go here at a 45-degree angle. And when you drop it, it's just going to disperse all the liquid. See? There we go. Slide number one done. Alright. And we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to take our light infused water, give it a nice little shake. And I've done this experiment just a little bit earlier, but I had crystals within the water, and it actually might have changed the outcome I was looking for just a little bit. Actually, just to make sure there's nothing left in there. From the other one. And I don't know if I need dyes for these yet. If it doesn't come out this time, we'll add some red dye or some blue dye and see if that can help us see anything. Okay. Okay, now I'll try to fire up this microscope. Okay, let's see if we can take a look in there. This right here is at 40 magnification, and this is the regular water. As you see, there's quite a few nuclei and something floating in there. I don't quite know what it is. Probably some kind of algae or something. But this I've all looked before. This is kind of standard, I guess, for bottled water. Okay, now let's see what we can see from the light photon infused water. Okay, and now we're going in at 40x magnification on the photon infused water. As you can see, there's a higher concentration of nuclei within that water. So you can actually see there's quite a bit of difference that the water is absorbing some of the energy from the light. I'll just have to do a little bit more testing to see if you know, that's a beneficial thing or not. Let's see if I can get it one more time. And the next phase is actually going to compare this with other type of nutritious drinks, you know. Any drinks and things like that. It's supposed to be healthy, and see what their concentration looks like. And while I got you guys here, just kind of wanted to clue you guys in on what the benefits of these two different lights are. As far as ultraviolet light and the light we get from the sun, it's actually been proven to stimulate your RNA and DNA cells, and it helps your body to make vitamin D. And as far as infrared, they use it a lot in physical therapy now, where it can ease inflammation, help blood circulation, and things like that. And what I'm attempting to do is, most of this light has been received topically, which it only exposes itself within a few inches of the skin. It never goes deep down into the body. And what I want to see is what ingesting this type of photon infused water will do to the body.